Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever you are watching from. I'm here again to talk about the amazing business or amazing opportunity I spoke all about the last time. It's a real good opportunity which we are consider ourselves to be lucky to find ourselves involved with this kind of great opportunity where you can earn on a multiple level, where you don't need to invest money. You just have to invest just your time. You don't need capital to start it. You don't need a degree. You don't need any qualifications. You don't need to attend courses. You just jump on the train, and somebody like me or any of our team could put you through, and you are done with it. We are there for you anytime to ask your questions and to assist you. So I am here again this afternoon because of the video I did the last time. A lot of people are interested, and I'm getting different kinds of questions, a lot of questions which I answered, and I want to talk about one of it, which is really like a bondage or like a problem or like a hindrance to us here in Europe. Most of us, we belong to the group of social aids. That is, when you come into this country, perhaps you are not yet allowed to work, or you can work for one reason or the other. You don't have a job, or for one reason or the other, you are not working at the moment, and then you get social aid. So I think most part of Europe is like that. I don't know of all places, and all the social aids differs. The method and the procedures and the criteria that are attached to it differs. But I will talk about here in the part of the Europe where I'm living, and which is almost the same everywhere, very little difference, if at all. If you are receiving social aids, you are not allowed to work, you are not allowed to get extra income. This is what people understood by, being under social aid. But there are also exceptions, because we all passed through this process already. We all went through it. I went through it also. I was also once with social aids or social amt, how we call it here. And then you can get over it when you are working already. But in this business part where I'm talking about now, social aid does not prevent you from not doing it. Not at all. Because in the social aid, they have drawn it out. They know how much individual is supposed to feed on in a month. And this is what they try to give you in between. So, and with this social aid, you are allowed to make an income to a certain amount. They are not against you getting a little bit extra, not at all. In this part, I live in Germany, and I'm talking from the process in Deutschland. You are not absolutely forbidden not to make extra income. There is a limit you can make in addition, which is all good for us. And then, when you make more than that limit, they don't just cut your social aid off. Because a lot of people are afraid of it, because they called me and like, oh, if I do it now and I get extra income, my social aid can be cut off. No, I've gone through all of them. This is not correct. If you receive extra, there's a certain amount you will receive. Your social aid still continue the way it's supposed to be. And then, if you earn higher than that, they know already, okay, you are higher than that. The social amt will not cut off your social assistance completely. Rather, they will reduce it by how much you are getting. They will reduce it by how much you are getting. And then, when you are now getting more, higher and higher, they start to reduce it gradually. And eventually, if you are now earning more than what they are supposed to give you as a salary, I mean, what other people are earning as salary, and you are now getting it as your extra income, this is when they will cut off your social aids, and then they will stop it and you continue. So, my question now is, by the way, would you like to be independent, or you like to be, would you like to be dependent, or you like to be independent all through? When we were leaving home, we never came here to come and remain independent. We came here to work for a greener pasture. We have the strength, we have the ability, we have, here to make our own money. But, situation put us in this system. So, my brothers and sisters, my question is, if they cut off your social aids and you are earning more than what they are supposed to give you, isn't that amazing? Isn't that good to get freedom? Because under social aid, you cannot travel on your own. You cannot do some things on your own. You have to seek for permission to go out. You have to seek for permission to do a lot of things. You have to seek for permission to, there are certain things you are not even entitled to because you are under social aid. I mean, guys, why don't you do something that will liberate you from this social bondage of a thing? Do something that will liberate you from it, which is, this kind of opportunity. And another thing is, according to the questions I was getting, take, for example, this one now doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't cost you huge amount of investment, And take, for example, you are now earning 1,000 plus or whatever. And this is an opportunity where your earning has no limit. You can earn 1,000, you can earn 2,000, you can earn 3,000, you can earn 4,000, you can earn as much as you can. As you work. So why should you limit yourself to a social particular amount which you will be getting for years in a particular amount? You don't grow in it. So why don't you do something that you will now be benefiting? Then you are freedom, you have your financial freedom, you have your social freedom, you have your happiness because you are doing it on your own. It makes you more happy or more self-esteemed when you earn on your own and you know how you got it. And it makes your brain to be social, it makes your brain to, active than to keep your brain. We are all talented in one way or the other, in different ways. Why do you let these talents to die or to remain in you? Why you don't use it to liberate yourself when you get a better opportunity like this? Take, for example, which might not be the case. If that is the case, for example, it happens that you fail, because business is risk. It is even better, it is more dangerous not to take a risk. Because if you don't take a risk, later you might regret it. But if you take a risk and you fail, it is better. You are happier. You are a happier person. You are a happier woman. You are a happier man. Like, okay, I tried, but I didn't succeed. It's better. It sounds better. It pleases you better. It makes you more happy, than you never tried. So take, for example, it failed. You can always return back to social. Say, okay, I tried, I was doing some business, and this is what I was earning and it's not working again, and they will accept you back. We're all in it. I was there, and I did it. If it's going down and it's not working fine, I always go back. Say, okay, at the moment it's not working, and then I show them. They will ask you document, a proof. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm earning. At the moment, this is what I am earning. And then they know what you are earning at this moment is not enough for you to live. They will start to pay you again. But if peradventure, then you succeed in it. And then instead of you remaining in a particular amount they are giving you every month, and then you are growing higher. I think it is better. So this is why I came out this afternoon to come and explain it to some people because of their doubts. If you don't know how to go through it, call me, because they say experience is the best. We have gone through it. I've gone through it. I have left social arm before and say, okay, I went to them and I said, now I want to liberate myself. I want to cut off my social. I think I can stand on my own now. And they were like, no, you can still take it for maybe another 5-6 months so that you can stand properly. And I told them, let me try myself. If I try and it didn't work out, I will come back. And I tried. After 4 or 5 years, it wasn't going well again. I went back and I told them, it's not working anymore. This is my situation at the moment. And they checked, and then I gave them the paper, I gave them my income, what I am earning at the moment, and they checked, and they processed it again. They started giving me the money again. I started earning until I was able to stand again, and then I went again. So now I'm able to stand again. This is now my earning. I want to stand alone. Till date, my guys, till date. So please don't be afraid of social. Don't be afraid that they will cut off.